Alright guys, so welcome back to a new video. So what I have prepared for today is basically we're going to be installing some new dump pipes and test pipes for the Genesis Coupe. So what I'm hoping is that hopefully it's not too raspy, but I kind of have a solution, I guess you could say, or an idea to help it not to be that raspy if it turns out to be too raspy. But yeah, and as you can see, the engine bay is looking pretty clean. So as you can see, I have the true cooler intake from 3.8 Performance. I had a little bit of problems installing it. Well, not problems, but it took a little bit longer than I expected, mainly because I didn't bother to actually read the instructions, so that was my fault. But yeah, we got that installed. Hopefully the video will be out first before this one, but we'll see, because like I said, I had some problems. I still have to edit it and see how it is. But other than that, yeah, the engine is looking pretty nice. You know, none that special, but you know, little by little. All right, well, let's start installing the dump pipes and test pipes. All right, before jacking up the car, don't forget to have it on gear and your e-brake, and for extra precaution, put some brakes on the back wheels. You know, you don't want no accidents. So yeah. Alright, so we're under the car. Let's get this started. So you're going to need to remove your sensor, O2 sensor. I already loosened it up just to make it, to not deal with it. There you go. Go. There we go. This one's loose now. Not to the other side. I already took this O2 sensor already, so we're good. So just gotta remove the bolts and nuts. Okay. Look at this. Good thing we got new ones. So, alright. Now to remove the back ones. Dun, dun, dun. Okay. There we go. Now for this one. The cats and that'll be it. Okay, just to get the top ones. Alright, so finally we have all the cats off and the dump pipes. So now time to install the new ones. Hopefully it's much easier.
Forever is the strangest thing. It's shorter than you think. No think. Longing is the music of our sphere. The gift of life is never more or less. It starts at any time you like and ends in just a wink. Pass me the lighter, baby.
Alright, so I tightened every bolt and nut that I had to. So far, everything seems like it's really good tight. So hopefully I don't have any leaks or anything like that. But alright, finished cleaning up all my mess. Let's give it a cold start. So yeah, it definitely sounds a little bit louder. I'm gonna let it warm up and probably give it a rev and then take it for a spin, see how it sounds. Yep. It sounds louder for sure. Thank you for watching. Comment, subscribe, like, and yeah. Hopefully you enjoyed the video, and well, till next time.